This is my Dino off-road adventure, brand new ride for 2023 season at Six Flags New England. This is my construction update of the brand new attraction. The ride will be open around Memorial Day weekend. So far they got the cars like painted. So it looks good. Next couple weeks they're gonna bring the dinosaurs in. So all the cars is there now. Just got repainted. They had to change the sign. While the real sign still here. So they still got a lot of work to do on this new attraction. So they took all the animals off. So they probably put the animals like dinosaur maybe over there. Probably put another dinosaur over here. I heard they're gonna be like 16 dinosaurs supposed to be around the attraction. I don't know if they're gonna be big or small. So this will be a new attraction for this year. Dino Off-Road Adventure at Six Flags New England. They took all the signs down. There might be dinosaurs all right here of this new attraction. Bridge, they took the monkeys off the bridge, so it might be a big dinosaur in that hole over there. Can't wait for this new attraction to be open. It'll be good for families, and I will have a POV video coming up when this attraction open. So this is my update of the construction of the Dino Off-Road Adventure. So I think they're gonna put a dinosaur right there. Can't wait for this attraction to be open. Reimagine. They're gonna reimagine this attraction. Can't wait. So I will have next update when I come back to the park. Might be in a couple weeks, might be next month, I don't know. But stay tuned. I hope y'all enjoyed the update. This is my Dino Off-Road Adventure update on April 7th, 2023 on opening day. See you guys in the next update.